So today I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas. I'm going to be doing a kiss pour with cloud effect using my spouted cups. I've got a new, whoop, wrong one. I've got my pretty new pink color. Super cool. It's the first time I'll be using that. And one thing I got to tell you guys, if you've used my cups, it doesn't matter. I mean, I clean these right away. This material stains a little bit, so we're in a messy business, so things are gonna not be perfectly clean all the time. And speaking of that, I want to show you something really, really quick with my canvas levelers. I put these under, oh, I just wrecked my level, but I cover them with Glad Press and Seal to keep them a little bit more clean. This is what I use, in case you guys don't know. I don't know if that's upside down, but there we go. It works really good to help keep the canvas levelers clean, and you don't have to cover them every time. You can just use a couple times and then peel it off and cover them again. It works really good. All right, so today with my cloud effect, I changed up my recipe a little bit. I have got my normal Behr Satin Enamel paint and primer in one that I normally use. But I usually add Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. Today I am using Vallejo Pearl Medium. So I mixed it in this large cup. I don't have exact measurements, I just used lines. I went up to the first line in the cup. This is an 18-ounce solo cup. Went up to the first line with the satin enamel, and then I went up 3 little lines with the Vallejo. I put a squirt of golden 𝐏𝐑𝐴C800 to the next line. Floetrol is up here, and then for here I put 2 capfuls of water, and I use filtered water. Mix that in, and I can show you kind of the consistency here. You can see that it runs straight off of the stick into like a tiny, barely a mound, and then it disappears quickly. All right, that's how I mixed that. All right, so we'll get to the colors that I am using today. I have got a pretty purple. I mixed Artist Loft, Liquitex Basics Purple Gray with some Creative Inspirations Pearlescence. That is this color right here. Super, super pretty. And then I've got this one here. That is Pebeo, not interference, I always want to say interference. It's iridescent violet blue. And then this one here is pretty purple. That is from Modern Masters. It's amethyst. And let's see what else. This one here is phthalo blue from Blick. I don't have the container, so it's just a normal container. This one here, it's a squeeze tube. This one here is a mix of Folk Art June Berry, and I put a squeeze of the Vallejo Pearl Medium in there. And this one here, it's really, really pretty. This one is also from Folk Art. It's called Cayman Blue. And I also put some Vallejo Pearl Medium in that one. And then the last one is one in my bottle here. And that is Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And again, I'm just trying out this new cloud effect mix. Instead of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, I'm using the Vallejo Pearl Medium in its place. Hopefully it'll give it a pearly effect. We will see. All right. And I didn't figure out, normally I have a set order, but I don't this time, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. We'll see what happens here. I think I'm gonna start with this pretty or a purple here. I'm gonna try to remember my order and go opposite, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. So, put a little bit of this Modern Masters purple. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna wing it and we're gonna see if it's gonna work. Hopefully, fingers crossed it does. My paints are a little bit thinner than I normally use, so that's kind of another test too. Because with a ring pour or a cloud pour, I like to have them a little bit thicker. But I kind of added a little bit more, and these paints are mixed with my, like all the colors, they're mixed with my regular pouring medium, and that is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water, and it's 50% Liquitex to 40% Floetrol and 10% water. Let's see, I'll add a little bit more of the cloud mix, and I think I've already forgotten what order I went in. Oh, let's see, I'll look here. There we go. We're going to add a little bit more of this purple. Oh, and I forgot my gold, so I'm going to add gold to the top here. I don't want too much because sometimes it does tend to take over. So, all right. Here we go with the second cup. And again, I'm just going to wing it because I put my cups out of order, so I don't really remember what order they went in. But all these colors go good together, so hopefully they blend nicely. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I do hope that you enjoy this video enough to subscribe. And for those of you that are already subscribed and you're watching another one of my videos, I do appreciate that, and thank you very much. And also, if you're new, all of these things that you've seen, the 3D printed things, the cups, and my canvas levelers are available in my Etsy shop, and the link for that will be in the description if you're wanting to go check it out. All these things have been designed by me. I make sure that they work good because I use them as well, and I want them to not only work for me but work for you guys as well, so I make sure that they're designed perfectly. All right, so we're almost filled. Almost got it here. Almost forgot the gold again, so I'm going to add some of that real quick, and I think I'm going to add a little bit more of this blue. I don't think I put enough of this blue in. And a little bit more of the phthalo blue, and we should be good to go here. Alright guys, here we go with the wet photos, and I love this. I think it looks gorgeous. The satin enamel from Behr mixed with that Vallejo worked really, really good. You could see all that cloud effect I got, even a bunch of tiny cells all over. So I am super, super happy with how this dried. I lost some of the gold, but you can see that it is coming through, so hopefully it will develop a little bit more and I'll get some more of that gold. But I just love the detail that I got. It is amazing. So for those of you that are having trouble getting the 𝐏𝐑𝐈𝐍𝐓𝐄𝐃 satin enamel, the Behr satin enamel works beautifully. I have been actually using it for years, and it works great, but this is the first time that I added the Vallejo Pearl Medium, and I love it. So now you can see how it dried, and oh my gosh, look at that. That gold came through some more, and I love how the gold kind of mixed with the purple, and it's kind of coppery at the top. Super, super pretty. I am just so happy that this turned out as beautiful as it has. The colors are just amazing, and the detail is so good. I love it. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts as well. So don't forget to leave me a comment below. And also, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Just hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video also. I do have a bunch of canvas prints now available in my Teespring shop, so go ahead and check that out. And also my Etsy shop link, which is in the description below. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well. And I'll catch you in the next one.